This is the 2022 version of the Mobilvetta Design P90, 747 centimeter long motorhome. It costs in this form around 72,000 euros, and as it's a Mobilvetta design, it's got quite an unusual design. You might like it, you might not. It's got a double floor, face-to-face seating arrangement with a large table. Oh, I'm not large, medium-sized table, let's say. There you go, there's the table. And which will move as well. You can move it, even though the stalk is in place down there, but it will move to the left and right. Above there's a bed, kitchen, and there's a queen bed at the back with a chest of drawers under it, and somebody's conveniently not made the bed so we can see the chest of drawers. When you come in, you've got a wardrobe there, storage at the back, rather fancy looking headboard, and another wardrobe. Sorry, there you are. That's what the bed sort of looks like after it's been slept in, and I bet you're thinking I slept here last night to avoid paying for a campsite. Indeed, on that subject, there was some, I heard this anyway, there was somebody from, I think it was a press person or something, and to avoid paying for a hotel, he used to sneak into the vans, want a van, and he'd sleep in the van. Anyway, that's the story I heard. I presume it was true, but that's before my time coming here. All right, so we'll come over here. I can see we've got some light switches here. Is there anything not turned on? Oh, that wasn't turned on. That's turning off. All right, so that's as much light as we're going to get in here. In here, we've got a shower. The shower, there's a duct board, and it looks as though it's sort of a wooden wall, but don't worry, it'll be water resistant, I hope. Toilet, and the wall here has been contoured around to allow you to walk around the bed. You can even close this off by moving these things along like that, and then next one will pull the other one along. Can you see this? Are you watching or not? And then it gets this far and it gets stuck because the bed's in the way. Ooh. That doesn't sound very good. It sounds like one of these old trains on the lines that hardly anybody, passenger line, nobody ever uses. Yeah. But it's a nice mirror, it's got. Right. I'll have a look in the double floor. What's down here? This is storage, and indeed it is quite deep as well. You know, about what? I don't know, 20 centimeters deep or something like that. So a double floor, that's a big plus. What have we got here? And here we've got some pull-out things which go all the way back to the wall. 3 burners there, and a sink. And with the sink cover, which is in 2 parts. Here, I'll move this over as well, so you can see this, just the same as every other one. There'll be a fridge somewhere as well. Where can the fridge be? Oh, there it is. Now, we'll try and see if the bed's working or not. Now, let's put the bed down. First thing we do is to check that there's nothing under the bed which might affect the way it drops down. Put that to one side. That is for the net, which is now under the mattress. I think it's under the mattress, might be an external part of the mattress, I haven't seen. I'm going to put this down. Well, I've done a number of bed demonstrations, and that was the best one yet. Came down easily. Who manufactured this? Lippert components. I thought it was Lippert, I wasn't certain. Nice drop down, very easily. You can see where the bed is. I mentioned the nets, they're the nets, and they are attached to the roof via something like that. And there's the eyelets to put them on. So that's to stop you falling out of bed. How do you get into the bed? Well, there's a ladder somewhere. Was it under here? No. I'm sure it'll turn up. And you can see it's now, ooh. So it's reached where the level of the chairs are. This chair here is touching this chair here, but the chair's probably further back than it should be. So for the bed, you can't though sit under. I'll even put this around to see, so you can see how I'm sitting there. That's me, right? And you can see how I'm sitting. All right, so there's not much room under the bed. I'll put it back around. Right, good. So I'll put the bed up. So all the users say I don't put the beds down. Don't put them down always, but I do sometimes. If I don't put the beds down, it's normally because I haven't got the key or the bed's not working. It's one or the other. Or it's too difficult to put them down because I may have to do things which require two hands. And it's got a rather nice underside as well, with the Mobilvetta logo. Oh, great. Right, I think I've shown you everything here. We'll have a look around outside. Before going out, I'll just check that my tie's straight. And yeah, tuxedo is in order. Right, hey, we'll go to the back. Absolutely fantastic garage, can't complain at that. Boilers there. Boilers you don't really need a lot of access to, but occasionally it can be useful. Once in a very odd while. There's your there's plug. And there's a light. Yeah, it's got a cute rear, body integrity 10 years privilege. What's a privilege about having a body integrity? Body integrity is water going to get in or not? So you've got a guarantee that water shouldn't get in for 10 years. Why does water get in? It's because, you see, you've got these walls are glued together. You can't really see because we've got these elements on it. But you can see up there a bit better where there's that thin bit. It's glued this wall onto the next one. And so these things, when things in motion, everything will start moving and moving and moving. Depends how much you use it. And if you try using it on the roads in Italy, it'll move a lot more because they're full of holes. And eventually, with it moving and moving and moving, the glue's gonna come away, or the sellotape or whatever they used, and that's when the water gets in. So do check they've used waterproof sellotape. That was just a little joke of mine. So there you have it. Kea P90 motorhome from Mobilvetta Design, 2022 version, and thanks for watching.